coming weeks, and today I'm going to show you how to set your backhoe loader for roading. Before you go out on the open road, you must ensure that certain things are checked. First thing we need to do is to perform a visual check of the machine to ensure that the tyres are in good condition, the structure is intact, and all the lights and instruments are free from any cracks and are in full working order. Mirrors are free from cracks and centered in the correct position. The excavator is usually locked in the transport position, ensuring that the boom and slew locks are fully engaged. On the front console, we need to ensure that the two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive switch is switched to the two-wheel drive position. As this is a 4CX and an all-wheel steer machine, we need to ensure that the wheels are set to two-wheel steer mode. If the machine is fitted with SRS, we need to ensure that this is switched to the on position. This will help to maintain road speed and improve comfort on the road. The beacon must be switched on to warn other road users of the machine's presence. Next, we need to check that the front windscreen wiper and the washer are in full working order. The last thing we need to check is that the brakes and the accelerator are in perfect working order. With all of these checks done, we now need to set the correct driving position for the driver. Ensure that the seatbelt is fastened securely. Next, set the loader end to the carry position. Release the park brake. For changing gear, if there is a manual gearbox fitted, there is a manual gear lever situated on the right hand side of the cab. And to change the gear on a power shift or auto shift transmission, this is done by twisting the left hand stalk. So that's how to set your backhoe loader for roading. And remember, if you're ever unsure about anything, please refer to your operator's manual. For more how-to videos, click on the button below. And whilst you're at it, why not subscribe to our channel?